Present perfect tense, sports commentary with present perfect. The present perfect tense is commonly used in sports commentary to talk about recent events or actions that have an impact on the current situation. With this tense, we can highlight the connection between past actions and the present moment. Let's explore how the present perfect tense is used in sports commentary with the following examples. The goalkeeper has made some incredible saves in the last few minutes, keeping his team in the game. In this sentence, we use the present perfect tense to emphasize the goalkeeper's recent actions that have a direct influence on the current state of the game. Sure, the striker has scored a hat trick in today's match, securing a comfortable lead for his team. Here, the use of the present perfect tense allows us to focus on the striker's achievements in the game so far and how they impact the overall result. The team has been training hard all week, and it's showing on the field with their improved performance. This sentence highlights the team's recent training efforts and how they have translated into better results in the current match. The referee has issued several yellow cards during the game, maintaining control over the player's behavior. By using the present perfect tense, we can discuss the referee's recent actions in enforcing the rules of the game. The fans have been cheering loudly since the opening whistle, creating an electric atmosphere in the stadium. This example showcases the ongoing support and enthusiasm of the fans throughout the match. In sports commentary, the present perfect tense is a valuable tool for connecting past events with the current moment. By using this tense, we can provide a deeper context and understanding of the game's dynamics and developments. As ESL learners, practicing the use of present perfect in sports commentary can help improve our language skills and ability to describe ongoing events effectively. Next time you watch a game, pay attention to the commentary and see if you can identify the present perfect tense in action.